OnePlus 15R is finally here. This phone comes with three different colors. All of them are unique on their own scale. It comes with a complete unboxing with everything inside the box. The phone itself is getting dimensionally changed. It is now in heavier and thicker by 0.3 millimeters, but it has the upgrade of battery and its capacity is now 7400 milliamp hours. That is a big jump from its predecessor. Now the battery can be charged very easily because the 80-watt charger is inside the box and it supports complete 80-watt fast charging. The phone has some nice buttons, but this time they include the plus key in the R series also. That is completely customizable and you can even add AI task inside it. So just a place of button and you can turn on anything or even ask ChatGPT to do your task. Except that the phone has a upgraded haptic motor and better dual speakers. The phone is completely loaded with IP ratings, but don't make the mistake of dipping your phone inside water because how much IP ratings their brand never cover water damage. Remember that. Connectivity wise, this phone has everything that you need: complete 5G support, NFC, Bluetooth 6.0, Wi-Fi 7, and for better multi-device connection or other device it has IR blaster in the top. The phone comes with dual physical SIMs, so no eSIM. The USB port is still older 2.0, but okay, that can be manageable. Now the phone display have some upgrades and downgrades also. It is a 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED display, but it's no longer a LTPO display. But the main useful update that it has is the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Yes, it is a very useful thing to have. Except that the quality wise display is very good. You get Dolby Vision and HDR10 plus support. Everything else about the display is good. It comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, a latest processor by Snapdragon that can give a good competition to the 8 Elite, but it's not as good as the 8 Elite Gen 5. It comes with LPDDR5S RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. So storage and RAM wise, it's the latest and greatest. And with the Oxygen OS 16, it is a great combination. Out of the box, it comes with Android 16 and get 4 years of OS and 6 years of security updates. Now, when the main OnePlus 15 series focus more on multiple things and have a great camera, the R series mainly focus on performance. So you can get a great gaming performance in a lower budget than the 15 itself. But the 15R is a great choice if you want a good gaming phone. Now it has competitors like IQ, but then they price more or the processor is last year. And now at the last but not the least, it has a dual camera setup, one main, one ultra wide, nothing special, nothing great, just a decent camera I will say, but the selfie is updated. Here is the latest price chart that you can get. It will be on sale from 17 December and the offers will available until 21 December.